Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to get Monzo on Apple Pay. If you're a Monzo user in the UK with an iPhone, this is your gateway to seamless, contactless payments. Monzo is that fantastic digital bank app, and Apple Pay lets you use your cards right from your phone, no wallet needed. It's super convenient for everyday shopping, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Monzo app installed on your iPhone and that you have a verified Monzo card. Also, ensure Apple Pay is set up on your device. Head to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay if it isn't. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Monzo app on your iPhone. Log in if you haven't already, and navigate to your card section. You'll see your Monzo card details right there. Step 2. Tap on your card to view more options. Look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. It's usually prominent and easy to spot. If you don't see it, make sure your Monzo app is updated to the latest version. Step 3. Once you tap that button, your iPhone will prompt you to add the card to Apple Wallet. You'll need to verify it with your Monzo login or a one-time code sent to your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Step 4. After verification, your Monzo card will be added to Apple Pay. You might be asked to set a default card or add any extra security details, like your Face ID or passcode. Finally, test it out. Open your wallet app, select your Monzo card, and try making a payment at a store or online. It should work like a charm. And that's it. You've now got Monzo integrated with Apple Pay, making your transactions faster and more secure. If you run into any issues, double-check your app updates or contact Monzo support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more handy guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.